Now let's say myself is Mr. Disa, right? Disa sir. There is a principal of A1 Commerce Academy, Doshi sir. Disa sir, Doshi sir. Doshi sir is who? He is a principal. And I am working with A1 Commerce Academy. Now Doshi sir takes a life insurance, my life insurance policy. Who took? Doshi sir took a LIC, life insurance policy for Disa sir. And Doshi sir said, I'll be making payment for that life insurance. That premium I'll be paying. किसका policy लिया? Policy किसका लिया? Disa sir का लिया. किसने लिया? मैं खुद भी ले सकता हूं, that is possible, but here policy of Disa sir taken by Doshi sir. किसका पॉलिसी? Disa सर का. किसने लिया पॉलिसी? Doshi sir ने लिया. Okay. Now who will make the payment? Premium will be paid by Doshi sir will pay. He took out the policy. He will pay now the premium. Okay. Now suppose now so in this case Disa sir is annuitant. Disa sir is annuitant and owner is who took the policy? Doshi sir. Now Doshi sir took the policy from an insurance company called as LIC. सुना है क्या नाम? LIC? LIC नाम सुना है क्या? Insurance company LIC. So Doshi sir took insurance from company called as LIC. So LIC is issuer. Now suppose after taking this insurance, okay, in case of my death, yes, okay, Disa sir died. Now insurance का पैसा किसको मिलेगा? Doshi sir has taken insurance for Disa sir. Now insurance का पैसा किसको मिलेगा? In case of death of Disa sir, not the owner, my wife, my daughter, my son, if they are there, they will get it and they will call it as beneficiary. Why he will get? Family members. A person who receives the death benefit from the annuity of the death of annuitant. Annuitant मरने के बाद कौन होगा? Family nominees. Yeah, you can call it as nominee, family members. Okay, nominee. Yeah. Family members, or you can call it as nominee. Okay, somebody said nominee. Correct. It can be called as legal heirs. Yes, correct. Legal heir means that my wife, my children, they will get it. So they are called as beneficiary. Is this example clear? Who took insurance? Doshi sir took insurance. Now you may have a doubt why Doshi sir took your insurance. I'll give an example, real example. In a company, in a factory, Mr. X works in a factory. Worker is, let's say, Mr. Ravi is a worker. Worker is Mr. Ravi. Mr. Ravi is a worker. He's working in a company. Okay. ये टाटा में काम करता है. Now, if you have heard about the name called as Ratan Tata, सुना है क्या नाम रतन टाटा? Okay, he's a worker of Tata. Tata company में Mr. Ravi is working with Tata company. So when he's working in a company, there can be accident or anything. So Mr. Ratan Tata said, let me take insurance policy of Mr. Ravi. Who took? The employer. Employee कौन है? Mr. Ravi. Mr. Ratan Tata is employer. He took insurance policy of the worker called as Ravi. In case of कुछ accident हो गया, कुछ death हो गया, he should get the money, or his wife, his children should get the money. So here in this example, and he took the insurance from LIC. किधर से लिया उसने? LIC. अब बोलो annuitant कौन है इस example में? Who is annuitant in this example? Mr. Ravi is annuitant. Issuer is generally insurance company, LIC. Owner, who is the owner? Ratan Tata. Okay. And beneficiary? Ravi's family members. Legal heirs of Ravi's family member. Generally wife. Nominee you can say, generally normal it is wife. If wife is not there, then children. So wife bhi nahi, children bhi nahi hai. So Mr. Ravi's sister or brother, they will get it then. Legal heir you can say. Legal heirs of Ravi. I hope all the points, 4 points are clear. Annuitant, जिसका पॉलिसी लिया जाता है वो एन्यूटेंट, जो लेता है वो ओनर, जिसके पास से लेता है वो इश्यूअर, और जिसको बेनिफिट मिलेगा वो बेनिफिशियरी. क्लियर? Annuitant, issuer, owner, and beneficiary. Clear? Next then. 2 phases of annuity. One is accumulation phase, means you keep on paying the premium. आप प्रीमियम पे करते हैं तो. Accumulation phase or investment phase is the time period when money is added to the annuity, and annuity can be purchased in a single lump sum known as single premium, or by making investment periodically over time. आप जो प्रीमियम पे कर रहे हैं, that is accumulation. और जब डेथ हो जाएगा और इंश्योरेंस खत्म हो जाएगा, when the insurer is expired, इंश्योर खत्म हो जाएगा, तो मिलेगा, that is distribution phase. First you pay to the insurance company. You are paying to insurance company, and then insurance company will be paying you. That is called as distribution. A distribution phase is when annuitant receiving distribution from the annuity. There are 2 options of receiving distribution from an annuity: lump sum or installment. Yeah, it can be, yes. A person can be owner and a person can be annuitant also. Here in this example, it can be. If I took my policy on my own, मैंने मेरा पॉलिसी लिया, Disa sir took Disa sir's policy, then annuitant and owner is one and the same. मैंने मेरा पॉलिसी लिया. करेक्ट? हो सकता है ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है, मैंने मेरा इंश्योरेंस ले लिया खुद का, तो आई एम द ओनर and I am the annuitant also. Both. Accumulation and then distribution. In distribution, there are 2 options. That is, you get the money in lump sum. एक साथ मिलेगा, lump sum. Or you get them installment. The second option, commonly known as guaranteed income or annuitization option, provides guaranteed income for a specific period of time or entire lifetime of the annuitant. One is lump sum and the other one is installment. Every month, pension, सुना है word pension? Pension. Every month you get it. Somebody was asking for previous screen. प्रीवियस स्लाइड हर्ष. बुक में है सब. आई हैव टेकन इट फ्रॉम द बुक इटसेल्फ. ऑल दिस इज देयर इन द बुक. टेक्स्ट बुक में है. स्टिल इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक. टाइप्स ऑफ
पढ़ाई के लिए
एन्युइटी.
मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथ.
टाइप्स ऑफ एन्युइटीज. एन्युइटी सर्टन. अभी अभी बोला. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एन्युइटी सर्टन? Fixed period. When you know the period, that time it is called as annuity certain. An annuity certain is an investment that provides a series of payment for a set of period of time to a person or to the person's beneficiary for certain period, 10 years, 5 years, 4 years, 20 years, fixed period. If the investment in the retirement income offered by insurance company, the annuity may also be taken lump sum because it has set expiration date. Annuity certain generally pays higher rate of return than lifetime annuity. Lifetime annuity means till you die. Typically, the terms are 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. Fixed period, that it is called as annuity certain. Annuity certain में क्या हो जाएगा? Annuity certain में the amount is fixed period. 10 years, 20 years, 15 years, then that will be called as annuity certain. Until you die, ऐसा रहेगा तो? Till you die. अभी देखा था उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Till you die. One annuity certain, what was the other? Uncertain annuity को क्या बोलते हैं? अभी गया वर्ड. Contingent, yes. Contingent annuity. Contingent annuity. Contingent annuity is in the form of annuity contract that provides payment at the time when the named contingency occur. For instance, for example, upon death of a person, death of one spouse. Contingent. Okay, the surviving spouse will begin to receive monthly payment. In the contingent annuity, policy of payment will not be made to the annuitant or beneficiary until certain stated event occurs. After your husband dies, the wife will receive, or if wife dies, the husband will receive, such till the death of the other spouse, and that is called as contingent. Contingent may not a fixed period. Period is not fixed. Period is not fixed. No fixed period. Fixed period then annuity is certain, and if the period is not fixed, that is called as contingent annuity. The next one more is that called as perpetual annuity or perpetuity. Perpetual annuity or perpetuity. A perpetual annuity is also called as perpetuity, promises to pay a certain amount of money to its owner forever. Now, what do you mean by forever? How a person can make a payment forever? After my death, my family members, my children will pay it. समझा? I will pay till I am alive. But after my death, my family members will pay. My son will pay. After his death, His son will pay. His son, his daughter, they will pay. चलते ही रहेगा forever, रुकेगा नहीं. Okay, clear. Forever. After my death, my children. After their death, their children. So on. It will not stop forever. Contingent. Generally, some religious institutes. Yes. Now it's okay. Is voice okay? Yeah. Okay. Now I'll give an example. Sir, ये किधर होता है? Dear student, in school days, have you heard about scholarship? Scholarship सुना है? Scholarship मिलता है certain students को scholarship. Now suppose I started a scholarship. I gave a scholarship saying that the one who will stood first a particular school. Okay, let's say school is St. Mary's School. Okay, and I said the one who will stand first at SSC will receive rupees 5,000 as scholarship. And it will be in the name of my dad, Mr. Greg, in the name of late Mr. Greg. What I'm doing in this school called as St. Mary's School, an example I'm giving. What I said, the one who is first at SSC, the one who will be first at SSC will receive rupees 5,000 a scholarship, as a scholarship in the name of late Mr. Greg scholarship. My dad's name this is. 5,000 कौन देगा? Scholarship चालू हो गया. अभी 5,000 कौन देगा? अभी I've started this scholarship. I'll be paying. Okay, in my daddy's name, I'll be paying. Now after my death, school तो चालू रहेगा, school खत्म नहीं हो जाएगा. Let's say after 10 years, I'm no more. But the scholarship तो चालू रहेगा. So who will pay that? My children will pay. Yes, son or daughter, yes, definitely. Son or daughter, my children will pay. Okay. Similarly, let's say I've taken a room on rent. I've taken room on rent, rupees 5,000 rent per month. Room is taken on rent. What is the rent? Rupees 5,000 per month. Right now, I'm paying every month 5,000. But then after my death, who will be paying the rent? Either allowed to surrender the room, then okay. But the room is not surrendered. Room is still on rent. So somebody will have to pay. My wife or my children will have to pay the rent. Okay. So what do you mean by perpetuity? Perpetuity मतलब क्या? Perpetual annuity. 3 टाइप का annuity होता है. One is annuity is certain fixed period till a certain event, that is contingent, till a person die or something, and this is forever. Third one is Forever. Here I've underlined this word. Forever. No, no end. Harsh, no end. It will not stop. Forever. Forever and ever. Okay. Though, now it is saying, say this, even though we call it as forever, though a perpetuity may promise to pay you forever, its value isn't infinite. Agreed or not? सर forever बोल रहे हैं और फिर infinite भी नहीं बोल रहे. How it is not infinite? Let me explain you how it is not infinite. How it is not infinite. दोस्तों अभी मैं पे कर रहा हूं, बराबर है ना? मैं पे कर रहा हूं. चलो, my age right now, my age is 55. Maybe my life is up to 75. So 55 to 75, how many years I'm paying? 55 to 75, that is 21 years. 21 ना 55 को भी गिनते हैं, 55 को पकड़ के including 55 to 75, 21 years. After my death, my son or my child, his age is, let us say, 31. He starts paying, let's say, my son or my daughter. This is myself. My son or my daughter, 31. Let's say their life is 81. Yeah, 80.